The fourth and final step.
Step 4.
In koshering a microwave oven for Passover. Obtain a canister of kosher for Passover salt. A bowl with a little bit of water in it, and then lightly pour some salt into the water. Very good. Stir with your finger. Now take both hands, put them in the bowl of water, and sprinkle the water over the microwave oven. And make sure you sprinkle the water also in the back of the microwave oven, and mumble incoherently while you do it in the back of the microwave oven.
Oy vey, oy gewaffen de geld, geen kakken af in Jan.
Very good. Congratulations, you have finished koshering a microwave oven for Passover. Please look forward to the Halaktics Hotline's upcoming list of kosher for Passover foods for the 2009 Passover season, where we will be introducing kosher for Passover pasta, kosher for Passover croutons, and kosher for Passover bread. Thank you very much. Be well. We will see you for our second installment in the future, when we show you how to perform a bris on a microwave oven.